What's up guys? Today, you don't know this, but I know that. Oh, Cooper. We got a new dog and he's like really obsessed with me, so he won't leave me alone. So if you hear any moving, that's him. What you don't know that I know is that I'm in a like completely different setup. Like you think it's the same because it's just a gray background, right? But I'm in a very... He's gonna annoy the heck out of me, but if I close the door, he's going to cry. Alright, as soon as he found a spot where he can see me and he's comfortable, so he's just laying down now. But what I was saying was like, you don't know, but I'm in like completely different setup and you don't really care, but it's really freaking humid in here and my butt cheeks are dying. But we're not here to talk about my butt cheeks, we're here to talk about this, so let's just open it on up. And say goodbye to unboxing knife forever. Okay. So, wildflower. Ooh. I love the pictures that they've been putting, like, of the models and stuff. Okay, so that just tells us the prices and stuff. Let's pull things out of here. Okay, so this I just pulled out is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, in the shade Wisteria. Do you see this? It's like a pretty purple shade. Let's see. I want to open it up. Oh. I'll probably put this on in a second. It seems very, very bright, but let's see. We'll just put it on. I don't have a mirror with me because I didn't bring one. But I'm hoping that palette that I see in there has one. It says this retails for $19, and oh, this is another one of the like favorites. They picked out their favorites or whatever. So this is $19. Yes. I feel like I'm rambling. Next in here is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Eyeliner. Roll-On Precision Liner. No. So if you don't know, or if you hadn't heard of this eyeliner before, it literally, it's like a freaking wheel at the end of a stick. Did he just leave me? My dog just left me. He's such a big boy. He just left. Okay, so it's literally a wheel, like an eyeliner wheel, like... I feel like you won't be able to kind of taper it off to make a nice wing. I feel like everything's going to be consistent, like, not depth, a consistent width. And I want a tapered off wing or something. I feel like if you go a little too fast, you're going to cut your freaking eyelid. But, yeah, let's see if I can try to do a tapered wing. No, I'm trying to like lift off at the end, but it's just making consistent lines. So this is not good for, ooh, that's pretty cool. You know, like when you put it in, it has like, can you see that? Rubber thingies to kind of like, it looks kind of like garbage disposal, like, you know, the sink and all the rubber that sticks out in garbage disposal. Yeah, okay, rambling. That retails for $19. I know, I think I'm not gonna like it, but we'll see. I'll try it. I have no idea if it's like waterproof or whatever. No, I don't think it is. There's just so much noise happening. And I think my AC just turned on. Yes, that retails for $19. And then next in here, I'm seeing the Loragella I don't know who I just became. Loragella New York Baked Blush in Brighton. Sample, not for sale. Awesome. It says it's in the shade Tropic Hues. Oh, there's a mirror in there. It's in the shade Tropic Hues. That looks really pretty. I want to put this on, but I'll let you in on a secret. I was going to film a tutorial today, but all my brushes are very dirty, so I can't even put this on. But that looks really pretty. It's got like a little bit of a glow to it. You can barely see it here, but it's got like a little bit of a glow to it and a sheen to it because it is baked blush, but it looks really pretty. This retails for $28. Okay. Didn't e.l.f. just come out with those new like baked highlighters that kind of work as like blushes? Just saying. Ooh, there are brushes in here. This is the Alamar Cosmetics. It looks like it just says Alamar. There's no like names of the brushes or anything. It comes in 3. This retails for $18. That's actually pretty decent, like $6 a brush. The Luxie brushes that we got last time, weren't they like $12 a brush or like even 15 or something? But I do really like them. These are pretty. This is kind of like a blending brush. This looks like it'll pack on some shadows. I think there's a hair that's longer than the others and it's like bent. This is just like a flat liner brush. It actually feels like a much thinner flat liner brush, so this I can find a lot of uses for. Like maybe I'll do like my eyebrows with it, or maybe use some gel liner with it and do some eyeliner. Though typically I do go for angled brushes. They feel really nice and I'm pretty excited about these. That's 4 things already. That's already 4 things. Holy moly. Okay, the last thing in here is the palette that I peeked. I didn't peek, but I saw it. Oh, it opens this way. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $35. It opens like this. I don't know, I just don't like that because it just takes up so much space. Like, look. It does have a mirror in it. Mine came pretty like busted up. Look at this. Well, it's just the plastic on it, so it's fine. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool toned. This right here actually really reminds me of my Lorac Pro Tails and Top Hats palette. I'm really not trying to go out and get it right now, so this really reminds me of that palette, though I might be completely wrong. It looks kind of cool because it's like set up like this. If you're like me, I like to use the highlighter shades all over the lid sometimes just to set my eyelid primer. But lately I've been using a lot of setting powder for that, so. And then you kind of have like your darker shades being smaller, so it actually works out like these two, and the lighter shades and the darker shades you're not using too much of, or not the most of, so it actually works out a lot. And the shades look really pretty. I wonder how they swatch. Let's see a matte one. It feels buttery. Oh, that looks like nothing's there. I did go with this one though, so let's go with this one. Oh, not as buttery. This one feels almost gritty. That looks slightly, oh, that looks very patchy actually. You can't tell in person over the video, but I'm sure they wear differently, and again, I can't wear them right now. All my brushes are dirty, so. What I can put on though with this lipstick, this is definitely not a shade I would go for. Okay, very not me. This color is not me at all. I don't even think it goes well with this look. Definitely doesn't go well with this look actually. It just, I'm kind of underwhelmed by this. Well, actually I'm not that underwhelmed. It's just I don't really like the shade of this. I think it's fun, but I don't really think I would wear it ever, so I don't think I'd make any use out of it. I'm so discouraged now. This dog just keeps walking around in this video. And my neighbors make way too much noise. Yeah, so what I do like about this, I'm pretty excited to try this out. They didn't swatch that well. I only swatched 2 of them, but I think it'll work better on my eyes, hopefully. And then I'm pretty excited about the L'Oreal blush. It looks really pretty. And then the brushes, I definitely am excited for. I love to get brushes in Boxycharms or in any makeup subscription because it's just something I don't like to buy. Yeah, the eyeliner I don't think I'm gonna like at all, and then who knows if the formula is any good. If the formula is good and I can't get a wing, maybe I'll use like a different eyeliner for the wing. And then the lipstick, it does feel a little bit drying right now. It feels like it's drying down. I don't know if it's supposed to be a matte. It just says long lasting, so. It does say it has a smooth glide on of a gloss, and that I definitely did feel. It went on really nicely, but I do feel like it's a little bit chalky right now, like as it's drying, and that's not cute. Also, this color, again, it's really fun, but I don't know if I could wear this out and be happy with it. It also looks just a touch patchy. I think I'm seeing some skin right there. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is the most unplanned video ever. My legs are just sweating in humidity right now inside of this room, so I'm sorry. I don't have my phone with me because it's in the other room and I'm really lazy to go get it, but let's do some math then. 35, 28, 18, and 19, and 19. 115, I think. think the total was 115 for this box. I think that's the lowest I've ever seen it, or was it 107 that one time? But it's still good. It's still going over the 100 that they promised and whatnot. Again, 3 of the products I'm really excited about. 2 of the products, and you know, we're gonna play around with them, see how it goes. And that's actually the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry about all of the noise, and I'm sorry about my lack of enthusiasm today. I hope you have a great day, and if you want to check out more of my videos, click right here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Oh, didn't I say I'm doing 2 now? So there's 2 videos to click on. And then click right there to subscribe, and I will see you next time.